Hello everyone, today we will talk about a green smoothie that will change your life. Welcome, I am Ruth Mejia and this is Ruth All Things Beauty. Here we talk about perfumes, skin and hair care, books and self-improvement. Today I will show you the green smoothie that I do that is very helpful to lose weight, to keep you healthy, to keep you satiated during the day and to give you the nutrients that you need to have a wonderful day. And let me show you the ingredients. First I use Hemp protein. What I do with this, because this package is very big and I don't like bags, I just pour it in this bottle, which is the collagen bottle, to make it easier for me to prepare. And then the collagen is this one. I use this one because we need that, especially at this age, to keep everything tight. I also mix these three ingredients: hemp seeds, flax seeds, and chia seeds, all together to do a super powerful life-saving thing that give you fatty acids, that give you protein, that help you to keep satiated. So what I do is I mix everything here and I will scoop from here. So when you see me taking this, it is exactly a mixture of these three things. Another ingredient that I use is matcha. This is a green tea and I use it in the smoothie, and sometimes I alternate this with moringa as well. And also I use bee pollen. It will give you a little hint of sweetness and also it will pack you with energy. I use unsweetened almond milk and also aloe vera juice that has also wild berries incorporated. And then I pre-prepare all this package and I have it on my fridge, frozen, ready to use, which is easier and you don't waste a lot of time. So this is half a banana and half a cup of mixed berries. And also you will have a leafy green that I change every week. So this is cabbage. You can use kale, you can use also spinach, you can use any green leafy vegetables, you can use broccoli, and I just switch it to have more variety, to change the flavors and also to get different nutrients and not get boring. To this same thing, I also sometimes switch some of the ingredients. So I will put 2 spoons of apple cider vinegar, sometimes instead of the aloe vera juice. So now I have a blender. This is the Ninja Ultra blender. It's a very good quality blender. I have it for over 6 years. It comes with 3 little how do you call, little bottles like this, which is very convenient to travel because you're good to go. And the capacity is up to 400 milliliters, and which is 16 ounces. So now what I do is I do my workout fasting. I drink a liter of water in that process, and my first meal after that will be this smoothie every single day. And believe me, it's not boring. It is amazingly helpful. So now let's get to do it. Another thing is you will always first put these ingredients inside, and I will measure this because I think it has a little over half a cup. So you will measure here. And to that I will put 1 scoop. This measure comes within the protein powder. 1 scoop of protein powder, 1 scoop of collagen peptides, right? You will put, this measure comes with the chia seeds, another brand that I bought that comes in a square bottle. It comes with a measure, 1 measure of this, and this, remember, is a combination of chia, flaxseed, and hemp seeds. I also put 1 scoop of the matcha powder. This one comes with the measure inside. And also, this is 1 teaspoon of this. I just eyeball it at this point. But if you want to make sure you have the right amount, you can measure it as well. Okay. Also, I like to put sometimes, this is fiber Metamucil without sugar. Not now, because I do have constipation regardless of I do good methods. And then for this also is 1/2 cup. So you will measure it just to make sure you don't put more than what is necessary. 1/2 cup. You make sure everything is inside. So look how it looks in the bottle. After you have all of that, I put like 2 ounces of the aloe vera juice and 6 ounces of the almond milk. Okay, then 6 ounces of the almond milk. So you should never overfill after it gets to this point. And what I do, that not everybody needs to do, but I do it this way. This is a mortar, a Dominican mortar. We call it pilon. And because I drink a lot of supplements, I just pulverize everything in here. So vitamin C, B complex, potassium to help you keep the muscle and energy levels up, magnesium to work together with the potassium, we do have calcium as well, and here I have, this is a multivitamin, biotin, I use probiotics, and this is what I do because the capsule is like this. I just pour it inside the other things. Why I do this? Because it's too many pills, and also I make sure that I don't forget to have it every day. And this one is also helping with this is called DHEA, and this helps you with mood changes and things like that. Remember my age, guys. Okay, so not everybody needs to do this part. Okay, so now that everything is in there, I just, some people can use a peel crusher, but for me this works better. So I just make a nice powder. Put it here and let's blend. And you will blend until you make sure it's nice and smooth. The consistency, you may change it. It's a personal taste. hands, you make sure it's nice and smooth. Oops. You see, I overfill it a little too much. And let me just clean that mess. This is real life, girls and boys, okay? So make sure you clean your mess. And this is how it looks. Let me try to pour it in a glass so you can see. So let me pour it here so you can see how it looks. Nice and smooth. You will not feel the vegetable taste. It really tastes nutty and delicious. And I do this every day. Believe me when I tell you that this little thing will change your life. Have a great one.